I'm Nomaqhawe Mguni, a full ZIMTA member from Mat South, Wililima District, from Gwambe Secondary School. Right, the topic I enjoyed the most is on functions of reps, right, which was presented by Daisy. Right, I just learned one or two. So when you are a rep, you should be a person who's able to disseminate information to other members, right? And also be someone who is able to recruit. We should recruit in our schools so that we can have more ZIMTA members in our schools. And maybe the other one, I should be a person who knows the labor statutes, policies, etc. So yeah, that's what I learned. Some other things I'll go and read so that I put more information in my head.